In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quip in Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to connect your Salesforce org to Quip and make sure the right users have access to Quip features directly inside Salesforce records. First, open Salesforce and head to Setup. You can get there from the gear icon in the upper right. Setup is where all the admin-level configuration lives, and that's exactly what we need for this connection. In the Quick Find box on the left, start typing Quip and select Quip, Salesforce Anywhere. Depending on your org, you might see slightly different wording, but you're looking for the Quip integration page. This is the control center where you'll complete the link between the two systems. Next, click Get Started or Connect Quip. Both options take you into the same flow. This action begins the handshake between Salesforce and your Quip environment so they can securely talk to each other. You'll be asked for your Quip site subdomain and the client ID and client secret from your Quip admin console. These values prove that you're authorized to connect the systems and ensure data moves securely. Only Salesforce admins and Quip admins on the Quip side can complete this step. If you don't have the credentials, coordinate with your Quip admin to retrieve them from the Quip admin console and never share them in chat or email. Enter the subdomain exactly as it appears for your company's Quip site. If you see a connection test or save option, use it to confirm everything is working before moving on. If anything fails, double-check the subdomain spelling, verify that the client ID and secret are current, and make sure you're in the correct Salesforce environment. Once the connection is established, assign the appropriate Quip permission sets to users so they can access Quip features inside Salesforce. Permission sets are how you grant capabilities without changing profiles. In Setup, open the relevant Quip permission set, choose Manage Assignments, and add the users or groups who need access. Start with a small pilot group. Confirm they can create, attach, and collaborate on Quip documents from Salesforce records, and then roll out to a broader audience. Use the principle of least privilege so users get only what they need, and review assignments periodically. That's it. You've connected Salesforce with Quip and enabled the right users to collaborate in context. For deeper details or troubleshooting, refer to the official Salesforce documentation linked from the integration page.